Whether the oil you're using right now is slowly shortening your engine's life. Millions of drivers spend thousands on repairs because they chose the wrong oil. Today, we're counting down the 5 most trusted synthetic oil brands in America, and the number 1 brand might surprise you. Let's get started. Number 5, Royal Purple. Coming in at number 5 is Royal Purple. Known for its high-performance formula, Royal Purple is a favorite among enthusiasts and performance car owners. It offers excellent wear protection, helps reduce engine deposits, and performs well under extreme temperatures. If you drive a sports car, tow heavy loads, or simply want premium protection, Royal Purple is definitely worth considering. The downside: it's usually more expensive than most competitors. Number 4, Castrol EDGE. At number 4, we have Castrol EDGE. Castrol uses fluid titanium technology, designed to reduce friction and maintain oil strength under pressure. This makes it a popular choice for turbocharged engines and modern vehicles. Many drivers choose Castrol because it offers a great balance between performance and affordability. It's also widely available across the United States. Number 3, Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic. Taking the 3rd spot is Valvoline. Valvoline has been around for more than 150 years and remains one of America's most trusted automotive brands. Its advanced full synthetic formula provides excellent protection against engine wear, sludge, and heat. Many mechanics recommend Valvoline because it consistently delivers reliable performance without breaking the bank. For everyday drivers, it's one of the safest choices available. Number 2, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. Coming in at number 2 is Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. What makes Pennzoil unique is its Pure Plus technology, which converts natural gas into a crystal clear synthetic-based oil. This helps keep engines cleaner than many conventional and synthetic alternatives. Drivers often praise Pennzoil for improving engine cleanliness and maintaining smooth performance over long wide change intervals. But one brand still takes the crown. Number 1, Mobil 1. At number 1, we have Mobil 1. Mobil 1 is trusted by professional racing teams, major automakers, and millions of drivers worldwide. It's factory recommended by many high-performance manufacturers and is known for exceptional wear protection, temperature resistance, and engine cleanliness. Whether you are driving a daily commuter, SUV, truck, or performance vehicle, Mobil 1 consistently ranks among the best synthetic oils available. That's why it earns our number 1 spot. So, which synthetic oil do you use in your vehicle? Do you agree with this ranking, or do you think another brand deserves a spot in the top 5? Leave your opinion in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.